The popularity of snow plowing attachments for ATVs and UTVs is increasing as homeowners and outdoor enthusiasts seek efficient winter solutions. Just like choosing a mechanical keyboard, selecting the right plow system involves evaluating build quality. List number: Kolpin ATV Switchblade Plow 17000. The Kolpin ATV Switchblade Plow is a versatile and durable snow removal tool built to handle tough winter conditions. Featuring a 60-inch steel blade, it offers a wide clearing path and adjustable angles for efficient plowing. The design allows for easy installation, making it compatible with a range of ATV models. With its rugged construction and user-friendly setup, this plow delivers excellent performance for both residential and light commercial use. List number 2. Quafu Snow Plow Blade Universal Kit. Steel adjustable 48 inches, complete universal kit. The Quafu Universal Snow Plow Blade Kit provides a 48-inch steel blade designed for reliability and versatility. Its adjustable angle allows users to customize snow removal to fit different terrains and conditions. The universal design makes it compatible with various ATVs and UTVs, while the heavy-duty steel construction ensures long-lasting durability. This kit is perfect for those who need a cost-effective yet high-performing snow plowing solution. List number 3. Neutron Kings Peak 50-inch Snow Plow. Complete universal kit compatible with the Neutron Kings Peak 50-inch Snow Plow offers a slightly larger clearing path, making it ideal for medium to large driveways. Built with high-quality steel, it provides durability and consistent performance in harsh winter weather. The universal mounting system ensures compatibility with most ATVs and UTVs. Its adjustable blade angle improves maneuverability and efficiency, making snow removal faster and more convenient for homeowners and property managers alike. List number 4. Blackbore ATV UTV Plow Implement. The Blackbore ATV UTV Plow Implement stands out for its innovative design and heavy-duty construction. Made from durable materials, it is designed to handle significant snow loads while maintaining smooth operation. The plow features adjustable angles for enhanced control and easy installation with compatible vehicles. Ideal for both residential and small-scale commercial plowing, it combines strength and versatility to deliver a reliable winter solution. List number 5. X-Bull 4,500 pounds winch 12V electric winch kits with fair lead. While not a plow blade itself, the X-Bull 4,500 pounds winch kit is a crucial accessory for snow plowing setups. This powerful 12V electric winch offers reliable pulling capacity for lifting and adjusting plow blades with ease. It features a durable steel cable and a weather-resistant design to withstand harsh winter conditions. Compatible with a wide range of ATV and UTV models, it ensures smooth operation during demanding plowing tasks.